Well, happy holidays. Today I am going to review the under-seat WeatherTech storage container I got for Christmas from my wife. If you're somewhat interested in it, stick around. System that I got. So I am going to open it up, and as you can see I started opening it up, but here is the actual number. It is a WeatherTech 4S001, and it looks like it fits a whole bunch of things. So there you go, including the Super Duty. So I'm going to open it up, take it out, and then we'll install it, and I'll give you my opinion of it straight away. So I took it out of the box, and it has a giant plastic bag. I don't know what this stuff is. Oh, instructions. Under seat storage safety strap. So I got a safety strap, but I don't know how it works, so I guess I have to open those instructions. But it looks like a giant dog food thing. So let me take it out of the bag and we'll be right back. So here it is. I guess I will review the instructions to see how it actually fits in the truck. Uh-oh, my WeatherTech tag's a little cockeyed, but I guess I can live with that. So there you go. Well, it seems like it's pretty straightforward. Let me pull out the instructions and see what they say. It says install the safety strap through the slot on the rear, and then it says position seat underside as back seat shown. Feed the safety strap through the seat mount. Clasp and cinch it tight. You need to remove, simply unclasp. So there you go. It seems pretty simple. So let's go do that. So this side can come out, so I can feed it through the holes. They're supposed to anyways. There we go. Comes out, and then goes in one and out the other, and then clips together. I know it came out because I just took it out. You get to see me struggle. There we go. And then it just goes back around this way. I probably got it backwards, but who cares? There we go. And we got it back. So now I just got to go put it in a truck and tighten it up. So, and I put it backwards, but oh well. There we go. Alright, so I have it in here. Fits nicely. It said to attach around this. I'm going to do that so it doesn't move around when I slam on the brakes, I guess. Not that I slam on the brakes, but you never know. And my fingers are not cooperating. There we go. There we go. So I am going to finish tightening this down, and I'll be right back. Alright, well, it's strapped down. I'll throw some stuff in there, and in a while I will do a review and see how it's holding up with all my stuff in there. And I guess I'll have to move some of this stuff into there or out of the truck. So anyways, have a great day. So anyways, that's the quick down and dirty on my WeatherTech under seat storage container. If it helps you out, if you like it, please give it a thumbs up, share, push the button thing so you get it when I get new videos. The new year I should have a bunch of stuff coming out now that I got my arm back, and the new truck and all that. So I appreciate everybody and have a great day.